Mm, So the sound of the birds taking off scared you last night. Though they were right to leave, right to use their wings to fly. So the sound of the birds taking off scared you last night. Though they were right to leave, right to use their wings to fly. I just can't figure out, is it too late or too early? Is it right on time? Could it be right on? If the crow said it right, we can move out by dawn early. Could be right on time. Could be right on. So the sound of the birds taking off scared you last night. Though they were right to leave, right to use their wings to fly. So the sound of the birds taking off scared you last night. Though they were right to leave, right to use their wings to fly. Caught staring at the ceiling, still traveling fears. Thinking if you rise, I rise. We'll be waiting for the morning, he'll crumble and stray. Again, if you rise, I rise, I run, I run, I. Sound of the birds taking off scared you last night. Though they were right to leave, right to use their wings to fly. Sound of the birds taking off scared you last night. Though they were right to leave, right to use their wings to fly. I just can't figure out, is it too late? Too early? Can't figure out, is it too late? Too early? Can't figure out, is it too late? Too early? Too early? Can't figure out, is it too late? Is it too late? Is it too late?